Hi, today from Keyless Entry Remote, I'm going to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I am showing you today is compatible with a 2008 through 2011 Toyota Sequoia. The part number on the back reads GQ43VT20T. To open this 3-button key fob, all you'll need is a screwdriver. Simply place the screwdriver in the notch at the bottom of the key fob and twist. Once you get the key fob open, you'll see that the battery is located here. You may need to use a smaller screwdriver to help get that old battery out. The battery for this key fob is a CR2032. To replace the battery, once you have the old battery out, just simply put the new battery back in. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Once you have the new battery back in, snap the key fob back together, and you're good to go. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, click on the link in the description below or visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, you can click on the link in the description below, or you can visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.